Introducing the Street Guardian SG9663 DC Pro Plus. Featuring the Novatech 96663 processor and Sony IMX291 StarViz image sensors, providing native full HD 1080p recording with great performance in all lighting conditions. The front and rear cameras each use large f1.6 aperture, metal chassis, 7-element all-glass lenses, and provide a full 127-degree viewing angle. The compact design contributes to the overall stealth and blends alongside your vehicle's existing OEM interior. The lens housing rotates a full 90 degrees and can even accommodate vertical windshields. Use the included CPL filter to reduce dashboard reflections. The camera features a 2-inch HD LCD display for easy menu access. Wi-Fi connectivity used with the free Street Guardian app for iOS and Android allows easy access to view and change settings, review recordings, and playback files. The included GPS antenna logs important data. The time and date, speed, and location coordinates are all embedded into each video file. Use the free playback software available for download to view all this extra detail on your Mac or PC. The optional SG-DCHW Hardwire kit with low-voltage battery cutoff allows for parking mode surveillance. For maximum performance, the parking mode function offers continuous surveillance in either full frame rate or time-lapse mode. These tried-and-true recording methods give you certainty and confidence that the camera is capturing the selected parking duration, uneventful or otherwise. All Street Guardian products undergo extensive testing to ensure reliability under the widest range of conditions. The supercapacitor power supply ensures continuous stable power and reliable performance in the harshest of climates, and have proven reliable by owners around the globe. The cameras are offered with high-quality memory cards ranging from 32 gigabytes all the way up to 512 gigabytes. There's plenty of storage for your videos, driving or parked. Great features, proven performance, and expert pre- and post-sales customer care make the Street Guardian SG9663 DC Pro Plus the ultimate set-and-forget reliable dashcam choice.
you for your safe driving.
Are you driving for a living? Looking to protect yourself and your vehicle at all times? Meet Blackvue DR900S 2-channel IR 4K cloud dashcam with interior infrared camera. The ultra-wide front camera catches everything happening ahead in 4K Ultra HD resolution. With infrared LEDs, the driver-facing camera produces clear videos even in total darkness, so you can feel at peace while driving or letting your Blackvue monitor your parked vehicle. In case of accident, transferring videos to your phone is quick and easy thanks to advanced compression and fast Wi-Fi. When away from your car, receive alerts on your phone and check on your vehicle instantly, or view later the event videos automatically uploaded to the cloud. Blackvue DR900S 2-channel IR, the best video protection for you and your vehicle.